This box has this stuff in it. Something to make a mess. I'm so excited. Yep, there's already some there. Hello, Jenny Yellow here for another video. And today I'm going to be doing another unboxing, even though this isn't an unboxing channel. It seems to be, but it's not. Alright, today we're going to be doing a Marzia box. I finally got the spring subscription box from her, and I think this spring's theme was Hideaway, which I'm very excited for. There was a collaboration in it. I can't remember. I'll probably figure it out whenever I open the box. But this is the box. It's heavy. There's a lot of stuff in there. Let's see what's in the box. Yay! Oh boy! This box has this stuff in it. Whee! Something to make a mess. I'm so excited. Yep, there's already some there. This one seems to have a lot of makeup stuff in it and face stuff in it. So we're just gonna jump right into this. First thing I have is Winky Lux, a Marzia Winky Lux. Ooh, it's lipstick. I need some lipstick. I don't put any lipstick on today. Ooh. And the shade is the Tarot. Tarot? I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, and it's a pretty color. Honestly. Ooh, I'm gonna try this on. I'll be right back. Alright, so this is what it looks like on. I don't know if you can tell. It's like a nude. It's not like bold. It's something that you could probably wear like every day. I like it. Next we have from Stockholm. I think it's a mascara. Let's see what's in this. It is a water-resistant mascara power lashes. Yes. Next I have a multi-stick from Bite Building. Oh, I like this packaging. It's just simple, and I like it. Ooh, see the color? See, focus on it. So I imagine this is like a it's magnetic. Oh, sorry. But this is in caramel, and you can use this probably for like your cheeks, or you can probably use it for your lips too. It's pretty neat. I think I like the packaging more than anything. Next I have from Butter. I have a lot of stuff from Butter, but it's mainly like nail polish and stuff. So this is kind of cool. This is a face glow. A deep, pure, brighten, multitasking skin illuminator. Neat. So this you could probably put on like on top of your foundation, or whoa. Oh, it's got little shiny shines in it. You could probably use it as a highlighter too over top of your foundation. Use it after your moisturizer stuff. Probably. I might have to try this. I'm gonna try it. Not now though, but later. Next I see nail polish from Zoya. And this color is Sawyer. Ooh, I like this. I want to try this on. I got this color. It's kind of like a peachy orange. I'll have to try that. I'll have to put that on for my next video that I'm going to be doing today. Ooh, cute. Also got a full size Amika dry shampoo. You can never have too much dry shampoo. I like this, and it always smells good too. I like this one. I'm going to show you some of the face stuff that I got in here. A bunch of different face things in here. We got a mattifying melting water gel toner. Very nice. And we got a night cream from Elemis. I think it's called Elemis. Very nice. Try that. And I got a thermal cleansing balm. It's the best cleanser you will ever use. It's black. A black balm detoxifies, clears, congest the pores, removes impurities, revitalizes the skin, leaving it glowing and silky. Nice. Got a sample of that. And I got a couple of face masks. We got the purifying 2-in-1 charcoal mask and a vitamin C brightening clay mask from Derma E. See? From Derma E. And we got some hair stuff. We got volumizing, styling, and sculpting gel, and a hair shield for heat protection from like whenever you use like heat on your hair for styling. We got those in the box too. These are nice. Then there's a discount code for overtone, like if you have colors in your hair and you want to like keep them nice a little longer instead of having to dye it like all the time, you try this. It's the overtone thing, and it has a coupon code on the back. I'm getting it. Wow. She did a collaboration with Wegman, which is a very cool artist. Very cool. Which she has said in her things that this person actually designed some of her tattoos, which is pretty cool. Pretty sweet. And she has postcards in here, which you can see. Got this one. And I got this one. And where the else? And this one. And this one. I like these. I missed the mask, a firming magnetic clay mask too from Derma. Whoopsies. It was mixed in with all of the pink stuff. Then we have washi. Is this washi tape? Yeah. Washi tape designed by her. I don't know if you can tell. I love me some washi tape. Alright, and there's a pin. I love pins. I love pins. This is very nice. It's like, ooh, it's rose gold. And I've said before in some of my videos that I'm on this rose gold kick. It's like I've been getting stuff for my house with rose gold. Did you see my living room? It's so cute. Little rose gold things. But this is the pin. I don't know if you can see. Can you see? It's very cute. Very cute. I honestly like this. I honestly like this one a lot. And we have a notebook. A very secret important notes notebook that has, the pages have just like leaves on them, which is very neat. Cute. And we have this. It's like a wall hanging cloth. It hangs on your wall. Then you have this. It's very nice. I like this. Can you see? Can you see it? I like this. So the spring one was actually pretty cute. It had some cute stuff in it. It had some practical stuff in it. And it had some pretty stuff in it. I'm going to be trying out the nail polish. Definitely going to be putting this on after I'm done with this. And some other cute things. And I'm going to leave a link down in the description below on where you can go to Marzia's shop and you can get her subscription boxes. This one's done. I think the next one is for summer. I think it's going to be like mermaid, I think it said on there. Which I can't wait to see what that one's going to be like. I'm going to go ahead and go. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and a thumbs up and a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this one right here, hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe and ring that notification bell to receive notifications on whenever I upload this awesome content. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and go. I'm going to leave you here with this. I hope that you have a great day and I will see you in the next video. Bye.